Human behavior is driven by several core psychological needs, and among the most powerful of them is the need for importance. This need is universal. It transcends culture, status, and age. Every individual, whether they realize it or not, seeks acknowledgement, confirmation that their life, their work, and their presence hold value. This sense of importance plays a central role in emotional stability and personal performance. When people feel valued, they contribute with confidence, they communicate with clarity, and they engage with purpose. A recognized individual becomes more resilient, more collaborative, and more ambitious. In organizations, families, and communities, the feeling of importance is often the difference between motivation and withdrawal, progress and stagnation. But the absence of this feeling leads to a very different trajectory. When individuals experience prolonged neglect, dismissal, or lack of recognition, their psychological foundation begins to erode. Frustration replaces enthusiasm. Bitterness replaces hope. Some retreat into isolation. Others create mental worlds where they can escape the weight of insignificance. A perspective shared by a leading physician from a major mental health institution illustrates this point clearly. He noted that although the causes of insanity are not definitively understood, many individuals who lose touch with reality do so because the imagined world offers them a sense of importance they could not achieve in real life. In that internal world, they matter. In the external world, they felt forgotten. This insight aligns with a central principle highlighted in the reference work, How to Win Friends and Influence People. The text emphasizes that the desire to feel important is not merely a preference, it is a foundational human drive. When this drive is ignored, individuals may compensate in unhealthy or destructive ways. When it is honored, they flourish. The implication for personal and professional growth is profound. To build meaningful relationships and influence others positively, one must recognize this need and respond to it sincerely. Not through flattery, but through authentic appreciation. A thoughtful acknowledgement, a genuine compliment, or a moment of attentive listening can restore a person's sense of worth in ways that go far beyond words. And equally important, individuals must cultivate their own sense of importance, not through comparison, but through contribution, integrity, and self-respect. Importance is strengthened by the impact we make, the values we uphold, and the way we serve the world around us. Ultimately, importance is not a luxury. It is emotional oxygen. When people receive it, they rise. When they provide it, they lead. And when they internalize it, they transform.